Sharon thought today would be like any other, a simple visit to Grishma, the love of his life. But what he didn't know was that love wasn't the only thing waiting for him. Sharon would still learn that some hearts carry secrets darker than love. Sharon Raj was a native of Parasala in the Thiruvananthapuram district. He was a final year BSc radiology student. Sharon और Grishma same college में थे and they've been dating for 1 year before things turned sour. This is the story of the youngest female criminal to get a death sentence in Kerala. In 2021 in Kanyakumari, Grishma was a postgraduate student and Sharon Raj was in his undergraduate final year. As they were in the same college, they became friends and soon started dating until March 2022. Grishma की जो फैमिली थी वो चाहते थे कि उसकी शादी हो जाए, so they found a guy and the guy was an army officer. And in spite of being in a relationship with Sharon, जो सेम उसके कॉलेज में पढ़ता था, she agreed to the marriage proposal. Now you must be thinking कि उसने शादी के लिए हाँ बोल दिए किसी और के साथ, तो of course breakup हो चुका होगा, but no. Although she had agreed to get married, as you might have guessed, Sharon को इस बात की बिल्कुल भनक नहीं थी. He didn't even know about the marriage proposal. So the solution she found was unfortunate and just horrible. Allegedly, Grishma did some extensive search online about painkillers and their effects on a human body. She attempted multiple times to poison Sharon Raj. And she tried to do this by lacing his water and juice with tablets. But I don't know, Kudrat ya God, none of these things ever affected Sharon. But that didn't stop Grishma. Investigators also stated कि Grishma ने एक जूस ड्रिंकिंग कंपटीशन ऑफर किया, मतलब उसको करने के लिए बोला इन ऑर्डर टू पॉइजन हिम और ताकि कोई सस्पिशियस भी ना लगे उसका बिहेवियर. फाइनली ऑन October 14th, 2022, just a month before her marriage with the army officer, she invited Sharon on the pretext of getting intimate because Sharon के लिए they were still dating and they were in fact still dating. So she called Sharon home and served him a medicinal Ayurvedic drink. And वो जो drink थी उसमें she had mixed some herbicides. And as you all know, Ayurvedic drinks are usually very bitter. तो Sharon को कुछ suspicious नहीं लगा and he drank. However, after he left Grishma's house on October 25th, 11 days after drinking Grishma's Ayurvedic drink, the 23-year-old Sharon Raj passed away. The cause of death was multiple organ failure. And it was so horrible that for 11 days, जब वो hospitalized था, he couldn't even take a sip, couldn't even take a drop of water. Like just imagine his last days on the bed in the hospital. वो एक ड्रॉप पानी का भी नहीं पी पा रहा है. सो क्या कुछ हुआ होगा उसके अंदर. बट हियर्स हाउ ग्रिश्मा वाज कॉट. बिफोर पासिंग अवे, शारन ने अपने एक दोस्त से बात की थी वेयर ही मेंशन्ड दैट ही माइट हैव बीन पॉइजन्ड बाय ग्रिश्मा एंड दैट शी हैड चीटेड ऑन हिम. शारन्स फैमिली फाइल्ड अ कंप्लेंट अगेंस्ट ग्रिश्मा एंड शी वाज अरेस्टेड विद हर मदर एंड हर अंकल अंडर द सस्पिशन कि उन दोनों ने भी ग्रिश्मा की हेल्प की थी एंड दे वर ऑल अरेस्टेड ऑन October 31st. This case is very heartbreaking, but at the same time very interesting when you think about it that Sharon ने अपने एक दोस्त को उसके passing away से पहले बता दिया था that he might have been poisoned and Grishma had cheated him. Because when Grishma was asked about her motive to unalive Sharon Raj, she had told the prosecutors that she wanted to break up with Sharon, but he refused. And that Grishma was scared कि Sharon उसको शादी नहीं करने देगा with that army officer or reveal their intimate pictures. But Sharon on the other hand, in reality, didn't even know कि Grishma की शादी fix हो चुकी थी with this guy and he didn't know that she was about to get married to him in a month. So why would Grishma poison him? And why was Grishma's parents also arrested? You see, Grishma and uski jo family thi, they had made a lot of excuses to justify or to reason them or Grishma unaliving Sharon Raj. They said that Sharon used to beat her up, abuse her, and Sharon had their intimate pictures जिससे वो उसको threaten करता था. But when the investigators checked both of their chats, Sharon and Grishma ke, all these theories were proved to be false. Grishma would also go on to say that an astrologer जो भविष्यवाणी करते हैं had told her that her husband would die. So she married Sharon, and then Sharon passed away. And of course, this was also proven to be a lie. The Kerala court had declined death penalty to Grishma in a 586-page judgment. She had killed someone who truly loved and believed her, and she showed no remorse. Grishma had chosen a poison जो she didn't even reveal कि उसने क्या use किया था. Maybe if she told the doctors या वो बता देती उसने क्या यूज किया था, शायद शायरन बच जाता. बट ग्रीष्मा नेवर रिवील्ड उसने क्या यूज किया था to the doctors, and her family had also helped her to do this. It's so sad to think that in a world where falling in love or finding somebody who truly loves you is so rare, people who fall in love उनके साथ ये सब हो जाता है. It's just very sad and heartbreaking. But this was a case of Sharon Raj. Please don't forget to take care, be kind, and always follow the light. I'll see you in the next video.